I mean, he was very. Yeah, I remember. In fact, couple of poems he used to actually. And also, he was a complete calm, laid-back person.
Very chill. Actually,
हो रहा है होने दो, नहीं हो रहा है मत होने दो.
Very like spaced out types.
Yeah, spaced out types.
That's cool, I think.
Which was the best?
पहला सीन अयाज के साथ ही तो था, जहाँ पर हम वहाँ शूट कर रहे थे, जहाँ पर वो स्विमिंग पूल था.
अच्छा.
वो पूल वाले सीन में धक्का धुक्की होती है and all that. पता नहीं क्या I was given some really hot shots to wear with Banyan.
Who is the best co-actor you had on the show? Also, this question goes to you, Neeti.
On कैसी आ रही है?
Yeah. और तो और कौन सा शो? और कौन सा ZTV के जो करण वाला? ये पूछूं? बोलो.
Karan will say first.
Me?
हाँ.
I think so. I believe my interaction with Vibha on a few scenes was so she brings out a different flavor to a scene. I don't know if you guys have realized that.
Yeah, of course.
She had a very different vibe to her, for sure. So I really like my scenes with her, and I think Neeti and me had. So my favorite actor was Neeti for sure. I won't deny that, man. My character sketch was, I think, around her and damaging because मानने के साथ तो यही था ना कि मारो इसको मारो ड्रम फेंको कहीं से फेंक दो उड़ा दो.
ब्रो ये एपिक था. मतलब अभी मुझे पता चला ये चिप डालना एंड ट्रैकिंग.
चिप डालना सरदार बन के आया था.
I don't have any song. सरदार बन के तू क्यों आया था?
पता नहीं यार, कॉस्ट्यूम में आया रहेगा ना मैं.
Someone asking Karan, when are you getting married?
Me? Yeah. After Neeti pops. After Neeti pops. And after Parth stops going to America and putting these food, pictures up on his stories.
Cool.
So well, that's really never happening, guys.
Okay. So Neeti, your answer.
Neeti, who's your? You all can just say, you all each other were your favorite co-actors, man. It's okay, man. The fans want to hear that anyway.
Yeah, but that won't be an honest answer. I know that.
No, but they are on screen, guys. Come on.
So I will answer, to be very honest. Okay. So no matter off screen, जो भी था, but on
क्या
screen.
था?
I mean, but on screen, I think it was always the best to perform with you because it's like you take the best out of me and I forget the other part. But yeah, like you used to, like I don't know, I had that thing, like, वो हो ही जाता था that thing. Chalo, let's make this scene beautiful. And all our scenes are actually, so beautiful. And it's not that we had to talk before doing a scene or something. It's just that we understood it. So that was something like...
Cool, guys. I'm just going to go in I'll just take a break and come. You all can continue this really lovely conversation.
आंसू आ गए मुझे.
Okay. But let me add this also, yeah. I mean, while I used to, of course, like when I joined in later and when I see the both of you all perform, it was, of course, like, I remember this one time I was sitting with the script and trying to understand, देख रहा था कि कहीं इन दोनों में से किसी ने line तो miss नहीं कर दी. So, but there was so much more that you all got out of the script, which was, I think, what worked. And that is, it's not like you planned that. It came out in the moment, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. In fact,
I don't know what's it called, but when doing a scene with you, if I do the same scene with someone else, it does not come out as good as, it's with you. That's a very honest thing. Like, वो है ही नहीं. Like, no matter how much you talk to the person or you're trying to, I don't know. Got the point, ना?
होता है ऐसे बहुत rare couples आते हैं on TV who blow the screen away.
Ooh, Lala. Who was your...
For sure.
Bhishan wants to know.
Huh?
Now your turn.
My turn. Okay. To start with, I think I had great bonding with Charlie. And whenever we used to shoot together, I had this comfort level with her that I could not even look back at the script twice before even emoting, because I was so comfortable. And even if I had to be Parth while saying those lines, I was okay with it. So that, I think, to start with, was I had the most comfort level, because also Karan chala gaya hai bathroom mein.
नहीं इधर ही हो guys, I'm hearing you out.
So I remember we all were going through a lot during the journey of Kaisi Yaar Hai, emotionally or personally. So Charlie was one of those people who actually was there for me, and I was kind of there for her as well. So that was one of the incidences that I remember. And apart from that, yes, with I think with Ayaz, so everything, I would like to say I had very different equation with everyone. With Ayaz, I used to learn a lot from him, and Vibha as well. Like Karan said, that she was different in each scene, and we used to take the scene differently, and I used to take what she used to give in the scene. So I kind of learned the art of reacting when it comes to Vibha and Ayaz, for that matter. Because with Ayaz, you know how it is. He wants to take over the scene. He wants to be there. So I only used to reciprocate or support in those scenes, and I just used to be there and react whatever he says. So those were couple of actors. And apart from that, with Utkarsh, I think he was a newcomer. So he used to take a lot of inputs from me, and also from Karan, for that matter, especially during dialogues, or during how this line is supposed to be told, or this is supposed to be mentioned, and even from Neeti, if I remember. Yes, of course. So I'm sure he had a good time with all of us learning, because that was his first show. So yeah, and he did good. He did good. At the start, yes, he was learning, but even Krizan was. And Krizan was one of the, I think, fun person to be with on the show overall, that we had fun throughout. And she used to laugh a lot, and she used to enjoy the moment. She used to enjoy the scenes as well. She used to make fun out of it. So that used to be like really fun. Although that time Neeti was in a different mood altogether. But anyway, let's not discuss that. Keeping all that apart, when Karan came, I don't know, to start with, we had a very different equation, but we were very pretty chilled out. And we performed also very nicely with keeping our head space, and everything was very balanced. And it's not like I genuinely felt, okay, fine, there is some competition now that has come. But I actually felt that, okay, fine, I'm a co-actor, and now I need to perform really well. And every time Karan used to come in front of me, we used to have this tiff between us as characters. So it used to be really interesting to watch.
So I think I'm going to add to this. It's like, you know, so it's never really competition, I believe, when you're on the same show. It's like then you understand, okay, I need to up my game over here, so that, you know, the scene in totality comes out like well. Because at the end of the day, nobody's looking at one character, because the cameras are, of course, not just focusing on one. So I think that was something really great, is what I learned from everybody in very different ways. Like, for example, I learned the art of Therav, you could say, because she had that stay in her, which is a little different. With Neeti, it was more about picking up, you know, that spontaneity. With Parth, it was more about picking up that you know, that enthusiasm, that intensity that he had most of the times, because our scenes are mostly intense, right? With regards to there was never a smile usually, and yeah. So I think every different character was like that. In fact, I remember this one time since Utkarsh was new, so there's one scene where he had like a lot of dialogues, man. He went into the bathroom, he didn't come out for half an hour. He's like, "Kya kar raha hai bro? मैं lines कर रहा हूँ, lines अंदर मत आ." Oh man, he's a cutie himself. But yeah, and Krizan was, of course, Krizan का ऐसा था कि यार, हाँ, चलो, let's shoot, yeah, it's cool, like and all.
So I remember,
I think everybody was a character in themselves only in real life, and I think they portrayed parts of them in the character, which worked for everybody.
And I remember that I have never, in fact, confessed or in an interview, that one of the few nicer moments that I had on the show, because obviously we were connected emotionally also with all the other actors. Apart from the area, we were connected to each other in some way or the other. So I'm sure Karan had his own set of friends, or I had my own set of friends from Yaria. Even Neeti had. So I remember it was Utkarsh's last scene where he is saying goodbye to Manik, and Manik is not aware of it, and he knows, Utkarsh knows that he's not going to come back, and somehow Manik is saying, you know what, you go, and he's thinking that he's going to some sort of ashram or something, some sort of place where he could just relax, rejuvenate himself, come back with a fresh mind. So Manik is thinking that he's taking a break, but on the other hand, he's going there forever. So I remember when we started shooting that scene, and during the scene, he's saying, I'll see you soon, Manik, and you take care of yourself and everything. So I said, so I remembered कि ये गाना लगा और तुझे आंसू आएंगे. It'll be better for you. You will cry and you will emote. So it'll be better. So उसने वो गाना लगा दिया. गाना लगाया, and the scene started. He started saying the dialogues, और फिर वो गाना high crescendo पे चला गया. And Utkarsh didn't cry. I started crying. I started crying, and I cried like crazy. The shot was just held, and the director couldn't cut because I was crying, because I actually felt that a friend of mine is leaving the show. So that sort of connection that I had, be it Utkarsh or anyone on that show. So I, in fact, cried a lot that day, that it was his last scene and he's going. And then the director had to come midway and he had to like hug me and he had to be like, okay, fine. But you know what? You cried, but you weren't supposed to cry. So let's shoot this again.